You've probably heard that RAG, or Retrieval Augmented Generation, is the key to making AI assistants more accurate. Instead of guessing, they answer questions using your own documents. But this amazing feature introduces a huge security risk: vectors and embeddings. This new layer can leak sensitive data, mix up information between different users, or even be poisoned by bad content. So, what does it mean to have secure RAG? It means your system can find the right information without accidentally showing a user something they're not supposed to see, or letting untrusted documents hijack the AI's behavior. Most RAG systems follow the same steps. They take in documents, chop them into chunks, turn those chunks into vectors, and store them. When you ask a question, the system finds the most relevant chunks and uses them to form an answer. Securing RAG means protecting every single one of those steps. The Open Web Application Security Project, or OWASP, even has a specific category for this: LLMO8. Why? Because weaknesses in your vectors can break security even if your prompts are perfectly safe. The biggest risks are unauthorized data retrieval, where the model pulls up confidential information. In multi-user systems, there's a risk of cross-tenant leaks, where one customer's data gets shown to another. And don't forget poisoning, where bad information gets into your system and becomes the truth, leading to wrong answers or even prompt injection attacks. So, before you launch your RAG system, here's a quick security checklist. First, classify your data. Decide what's allowed and what's forbidden. Don't just index everything you have. Your retrieval process must be permission aware. If a user doesn't have access to a document, they can't get information from it. If you have multiple customers, use separate, isolated indexes for each one. Control what gets into your system in the first place with trusted sources and review processes. And remember, embeddings themselves can be sensitive, so treat them like any other private data. Encrypt them, control access, and don't keep them forever. Finally, always treat retrieved text as untreated. Your system should be able to tell the difference between instructions and data. Here are a few red flags to watch out for: shared indexes without strong separation, no permission checks during retrieval, no loggings, and no kill switch to quickly disable a compromised index. If you're building with RAG, make sure you're building it securely from the ground up. If this video helped you understand the security side of RAG, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.